Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing accounts and devices so setup proceeds smoothly. Create a child Apple ID from settings right arrow family sharing on your device, then sign the child into their device with that ID. Make sure the child's iPhone or iPad is running the latest iOS and has Face ID or Touch ID configured. Also verify the family organizer's Apple ID has wallet setup and that Apple Cash and Apple Pay are supported in your country. This avoids surprises before adding the child to Apple Cash Family. Next, enable Apple Cash Family and link the child's account to Wallet. On the family organizer's device, open Wallet, tap the plus sign, and choose Apple Cash to start family setup. Follow prompts to invite the child. On the child's device, accept the invitation and confirm identity if asked. Once linked, set parental controls. Require permission for requests to send money, choose spend limits or weekly allowance, and enable transaction notifications so you monitor purchases and transfers in real time. Finish by adding the child's Apple Cash card to Wallet and testing a small transaction. Load a small amount from the organizer's payment method or bank to the Apple Cash balance, then try a low-value tap-to-pay or an App Store purchase to confirm approvals and limits work. If something fails, first verify region and age rules, confirm the child's Apple ID is in family sharing, and ensure both devices are online. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud or reboot devices before contacting Apple support for account-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.